Today, a playful wind science adventure invites kids to make a homemade weather vane that points with the breeze. They glue a light cardboard arrow to a straw, balance it on a pivot, and watch it dance when wind blows. Step by step, they mark directions on a paper compass, test in a yard, and note where the wind comes from. If the vane tilts, they adjust the pivot so the arrow stays steady, learning balance and patience. With each breeze, they discover weather basics, celebrate creativity, and enjoy hands-on learning together.